So don't forget, whatever you do, you gotta mirror it. So it's back to front. You know what I mean? So it should look like that, you know. So you're looking at it from the other side, because this is the side that takes the ink, and that's the side was going to actually go on the wood, because you're taking the paper off, so it's a transparent. It's taking that off it, and then so you've got to do it back to front. You need that piece there, okay? And that's the bit we're going to stick on the wood, and then you print it out and you're ready to go. If it's a photo, as I said, if it's a photo, you can, don't really matter, just get it the best quality you can get it. You don't need special papers. This is purely normal paper with wood glue. And plenty of videos out there showing you how to do this caper. Nurden tree ball. Remember the tree ball mints? Well, that's me. So do that for us, okay? So I don't know how this is coming out. It's gotta be what I'm seeing, because I'm looking into the camera. I'm seeing this is the right way around, but yet this is the wrong way around, so I don't know how that works. But you've got to do a mirrored image if it's words. If it's just normal faces or whatever, it don't really matter. So we'll lean that over a wee bit. Get some wood glue. Dosh some on there like that. Yeah. And make sure your name is the right way. And stick it on there. We let that go off for about, well, I just leave it till tomorrow, you know. It don't have to be in black and white, but this is a black and white laser printer, and that's all I got is black and white grayscale. So if you've got colour, this will work on colour. Yes. Just give that time to do its thing. All you got to do is wet it. You see the water getting through. The water will get through eventually. Keep going. Until that paper gets wet. And it'll eventually start rolling the paper off, you see. See all the paper? Yeah, it's all coming off nicely. Don't want to rub too hard. Place that right on that bad bit of wood there. Well, it's not a bad bit of wood, it looks like looks like a bit of stain or something. That's it, really. That's how you do it.
Thank you.
Oh,